was built in 1821. It is believed to be the first electric motor to ever be built. Making a homopolar motor is very easy. All you need is an AA battery, a screw, several small magnets, and copper wire. You may also need tools such as wire strippers and needle nose pliers. The screw in the homopolar motor spins because of the Lorentz force. This force, quote, is exerted on charged particles, electrons or protons, moving with velocity, that means with speed and direction, through electric and magnetic fields at the same time, unquote. The Lorentz force is what causes the motor to spin. In a motor, the battery is where all the electricity comes from. The wire transports the electricity generated by the battery to the other components of the motor. The screw is one of the parts that rotates in the motor. It is made a temporary magnet by the permanent magnet also used in the motor. The magnet is the most important part of the motor. It and the screw are the rotating parts in the motor. The magnetic field and the electrical field react in such a way that it causes the screw to spin.